Hello everyone and welcome to EDU Ocean. We are very excited to announce our upcoming batch on ABAP on HANA. That is something that we are planning to start on 30th of April, the Saturday. We are planning to conduct a webinar on 26th of April, 9 p.m. in the evening. So hope to see you all of you in the evening. Before we actually jump onto the webinar, let me just walk you through the content, the knowledge that we would be gaining after going through the webinar, after going through the ABAP on HANA course. What is there in the course for an ABAPer, for a technological, for a tech gig, for a SAP person that he has to learn? What is something that a person would be gaining after going through the ABAP on HANA course? So as a part of this ABAP on HANA course, we are planning to make every one of you familiarize with the all new ABAP on HANA artifact. After going through this particular course, you would be you would be standing in the market with the knowledge of all new major HANA components. Those are the new ABAP syntaxes, the core data services, and ABAP managed database procedures. You would be firmly able to say what is the area into the market that you can lead easily. Okay, so let me just walk you through the content. So as a part of the ABAP on HANA course, we would be covering the new ABAP syntaxes. That would be our first ABAP on HANA artifact. As a part of new ABAP syntaxes, we would be learning the open SQL syntaxes. The way we have designed a course is in a way that the knowledge that we would be getting in each of the topic, in each of the content, would be very useful and very handy whenever we are learning the upcoming topic. So for example, we would be starting with the new ABAP syntaxes, as a part of which we would be learning the OpenSQL syntaxes, the new application server level ABAP syntaxes, or what we can call it as a ABAP 7.4 or 7.5 plus syntaxes. So after learning OpenSQL syntaxes, we would be learning application server syntaxes, as a part of which we would be learning different internal table operations, the inline conversion functions, the very important built-in value keywords and multiple keywords that would make our life very easier for an ABAPer to do the code in an effective, in a performance efficient way, so that our program can work very efficiently in the real time. Afterwards, we would be learning the group by keyword, the mash operation, something which is very much into discussion. We all know these are the new things which are coming into the market, but I will be there to help you out to have a proper amount of hands-on, have a proper confidence, so that whenever you are stepping out, you can feel, you can surely confidently say that you are the master in all those technological area. So the new OpenSQL syntaxes that we actually learned, we would be leveraging that knowledge when it comes to core data services, and we would be starting our journey with the core data services. As a part of core data services, we would be learning all three: DDL, DML, DCL, the data definition language, manipulation language, control language, all different pillars of the core data services. So here we would be starting with the basics, learning parameterized, non-parameterized CDS view. We would be working with the standard CDS views as well, as a part of which we would be learning the CDS extensions. We would be learning and leveraging the whole versatile built-in library of CDS functions. Afterward, we would be learning the access control mechanism that we do have over there. We would be learning the vast versatile annotation library of CDS. And after doing the CDS hands-on, though we would be a backend developer, we would be able to easily develop a CDS Fiori element based applications also. All that we would be able to do using the knowledge that we would be having with us on the annotation library. Okay, so that is something we would be learning, the vast library of annotations, associations, and just not to forget about the modularization of all those business logic and the UI designing with the metadata extension. And something which is very much into discussion these days is the embedded analytics. the real world analytics of the information, those are growing in a very faster manner. That is something we would be learning as a part of virtual data model. Post that, we would be starting our journey and again leveraging the knowledge that we have gained as a part of new ABAP and CDS level uh, artifact, and we would be extending it with the ABAP managed database procedure. So when it comes to ABAP managed database procedure, here again we would be learning a whole new language called SQL script. So I would be there to teach you, make you a master in a new ABAP syntax, CDS, and then I can say a new SQL script language. We would be learning the variable declaration to conditioning to selecting to looping to fuzzy search to parallel processing, each and everything which comes under the part of SQL script. So we would be learning those whole new language, and we would be able to implement the standard AMDP methods as well. We would be able to perform the CRUD operations whenever it comes to a AMDP. Those all the things we would be doing strictly on the database layer, and hence we can give a surety as a developer that whatever we would be developing would be running in real time, no, with no batch processing. Everything would be executed strictly on the database layer. So we would be there to ensure that we are leveraging the full capacity, full capability of a database layer which a HANA database is actually offering. And after each and every session, you would be getting the recording of the same. So in case you are feeling detached with any of the content, in case you are not having the right set of hands on in your project, you can still go through the recording. So you would be getting the YouTube recording with a lifetime access of all the recorded sessions like this. And to ensure that you have the right set of knowledge and you are able to leverage the same easily, I would be giving you the assignments that you can go through. So along with the assignments, I'll also be providing you the solution document. You can go through the solution document, and in case you are stuck anywhere, the solution document, and nevertheless I will also be there along with you, so you can anytime reach out to me and I can help you out. Then we would be sharing multiple interview questions that you can help that can help you prepare yourself for the next battle that we would be learning, that you would be fighting in your life. Okay. So with this, I would like to sign off. So I am Sumit, your trainer for ABAP on HANA, and hope to see you all of you on 26th of April, 9 p.m. in the evening in our upcoming webinar. So hope to see all of you. The registration link for the webinar I'll be sharing in the description as well as in the comment section. So please do register, and would like to interact and see all of you on the 26th of March and then starting 30th of April as a part of the new batch. Thank you, all of you.